diving in from our left end zone. Number 66 Aerostars, ladies and gentlemen. That is here in Decatur. Domino's comes back down again. Get himself a nice head of smash.
My dad used to take me when I was younger, and he used to take me every year, and figured I'd pass it on.
It's good to have events like these because it shows the people that there are things to look forward to. It shows people that there are a lot of fun things that not a lot of people think about.
This is a great opportunity. The people of Decatur have been so nice, and just Central Illinois is so welcoming. They've really made us feel special, and it's been a great opportunity to see some amazing pilots.